now I'm going to explain what I did in my presentation. So as you see here, I have some presentation about our school or our university. Here I have the tab. In a full word is University of Technology and the Arts of Byumba, Science Education. This is a department of Science, Faculty of Education. My option is Mathematics and Computer Science. So let us continue. As I have been told you, my name is Gervais Dukunda. My registration number is UG Minis undergraduate 1111 34 92. I'm in year 4, July 2022 intake. Assignment is assignment of multimedia and graphics. So my lesson is concerned about the introduction of ICT. So in this lesson we have three sub-lessons. First is basic tools, second shortcut used for computer and the software through video song. We will see those shortcuts in a video song. The last will be the song which is called Turate Rwanda, easy audio. So let us start by basic tools. As you see here, I have radio, microphone, megaphone, computer. So and here we have the picture of radio, picture of microphone, and picture of computer. So sorry for that missing of picture of megaphone. So let us continue. Shortcuts used in a computer. So as I have been told you, the shortcuts will be displayed in a song. So before I start this song, there is some comment about that song we are going to see next. In this song, in this video, we will see shortcuts we can use in a computer's daily routine. Let us start by a song. So as you see here, we start by my pictures. The presentation of what we are going to do. ICT class by IT Gervais, as my name's IT. This song was recorded or was created on 23rd October 2024. So we continue enjoying the song by studying some shortcuts. So I see by some shortcuts, some shortcuts. So it's including the song which is called Technology. So hello, this is some greetings before starting the lesson. Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Here we are going to share about shortcut used on computer and so on. Some for specific software. As you know, there are specific software. We will see them in the song. Let's continue. Let's continue enjoying the song. Technology. Here we have shortcuts Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Ctrl plus A, select all. Alt plus tab, switch between open up. Alt plus F4, close current window. Ctrl plus S, save. Ctrl plus P, print. F2, name selected file or folder. File Explorer shortcuts. We are going to see the File Explorer shortcuts. As you see, the song is switched from technology to another beat. No problem. So here we have the shortcuts used for Explorer for File Explorer. We have Windows key plus E, easy open File Explorer. Alt plus Enter, open properties of the selection items. Ctrl plus Shift plus N, create a new folder. Alt plus up arrow, go up one folder level. Ctrl plus D, select the address bar in the File Explorer. Let's continue. Here we have the shortcuts used for web browser. Ctrl plus T, open new tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus T, reopen the last closed tab. Ctrl plus W, close the current tab. Ctrl plus L, focus on the address bar. Ctrl plus Shift plus Del, open the clear browsing data window. It has gotten sync. Here we have the shortcuts used for text editing. Ctrl plus I, italic texts. Ctrl plus B, bold texts. Ctrl plus U, underline texts. Ctrl plus key, insert hyperlink. Ctrl plus Shift plus V, paste without formatting. Let us continue observing. Here we have Windows system shortcuts. Windows key plus show desktop. Windows key plus L, lock the computer. Windows key plus I, open setting. Windows key plus tab, open task view. Windows key plus L, open the LAN dialog box. Let us accessibility shortcuts. Windows key plus U, open of access center. Windows key plus zoom in, zoom with magnify. Windows key plus minus, zoom out with magnify. Alt plus left shift plus split screen. Turn high control on off. Alt plus left shift plus numlock. Third mouse key. Let us continue. Here, so we are going to observe the shortcuts for specific software or platforms. Okay. Microsoft Word. we know them. Control plus any new document, control plus open document, save s, control plus s, save document, control plus p, put document, control plus f, find text, control plus h, replace text, control plus key, insert hyperlink, control plus b bold, control plus I italize text, control plus U underline, control plus C shift plus C L apply bullet point, control plus enter insert page break, page break out plus control plus S spread the document indoors, control plus shift plus C greater than increase font size, control plus shift plus C less than decrease font size, control plus C1 single line space, control plus 2 double line space, control plus C5 1.5 line space. Microsoft Excel, control plus N new workbook, control plus O open workbook, control plus S save workbook, control plus P print workbook, control plus shift plus L touch dot auto filter, control plus C semicolon insert current date, control plus shift insert current time, control plus F2 edit select cell, control plus C space select inter column, control plus space selected inter row, control plus shift plus insert new cell or row column, control plus minus delete cell row and column, control plus arrow key move to edge of the data region, control plus shift plus arrow key select all data in the direction of the arrow. F4 repeat last sectioning, Alt plus enter add a new line in the sum cell. Microsoft PowerPoint N, control plus N, view presentation, O open presentation, save S save presentation, P print presentation, control plus M new slide, control plus D duplicate slide, control plus shift plus G ungroup object, control plus shift plus H hide all and hide slide, control plus T open float dialog box, F5 start slideshow from the beginning, shift plus F5 start slideshow from the current slide, Alt plus shift plus up down arrow move selected slide up down, Microsoft Outlook new current create new email, control plus R reply to an email, control plus shift plus R reply to all, control plus F forward an email, control plus shift plus M new message, control plus enter send email, control plus shift plus A new appointment, control plus 1 go to mail, control plus 2 go to calendar, control plus 3 go to contact, control plus shift plus K new task, control plus Q mark email as read, control plus U mark email as unread. Google Chrome shortcuts, control plus T new tab open new tab, control plus W close current tab, control plus shift plus T reopen last close tab, control plus L highlight the address bar, control plus shift plus N open new incognito windows, control plus R refresh the page. So this is the end of today's session. So after viewing this video, we are going to end up by listening the song which is called Turate Rwanda. Turate Rwanda. Let us continue to view the song which is called Turate Rwanda. We end up by listening the song called Turate Rwanda. Let us listen this song for a few seconds. So let me play it. So enjoy the song Turate Rwanda. Our country, our life. As you know, our country is a beautiful place given by God. Yeah, Rwanda yacu igahamisha. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attention. So this is the end of my presentation today. So we will continue next time by studying the other courses which will be covered again. So I need a comment and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I need the areas of improvement. Just simply end the comment. So good night, happy new year of 2025. I believe you will be the year of blessing, joy, confidence.